Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So I like to get right into it. This is the herd. This is so pretty. All the links I will put in the bio. I am an Amazon associate, so I do earn from those purchases, so look out for your girl. Okay, click those bio links. So this was how the hair looked after I separated it. You will notice in the video I could have took larger strands to match my density, but it still worked out. And this is the Shine Jam. This is my favorite one. Okay, again, all of the links will be below to all of the products. Now, if you're not familiar with my page, I do have a jumbo knotless braid video where I go into detail on how I attach the hair if you're a new braider. But I will just explain briefly in here that I apply it after like the middle part, and I don't blow dry my hair just because I have color, as you can see in the video, and my hair can break a little bit. So I try to be very mindful of how often I use any heat on my hair. So I do use a lot of that Shine Jam to make sure it's as sleek as possible, but I don't mind my hair being frizzy. So if you do want a more sleek look, then blow drying would probably be best. This was the part where I was like, what is going on? It was just thin. It was not giving. It was giving boneless. And I was like, oh, well, we here. We here now, baby. I'm not taking it down. I'm not redoing it. It's my first time. Let's roll with it. Ooh, I was so over it. So here we are getting towards the end of this braid, and that's probably where I stopped it. And I'll show this again later in the video, but I wrap it around my fingers, and once I make that one single loop, kind of like a crochet loop, then I'll take that strand that's off to the side and I will double knot it, sometimes even triple knot it. This hair was like so finicky with trying to like get it to tighten. So in the comments, please like give some tips that you have used if you've done this before. I did have to use rubber bands as well just to secure the ends on some of them because they kept coming loose, especially the more hair I used. So that's just something to keep in mind. So after finishing my first section, I just decided to go ahead and pre-part my entire head. I think it saved me a lot of time. It took a lot of time, but I think it's worth it. Separating the hair, pre-parting your hair can save you a lot of time and just make the process a bit easier. So I did go ahead and layer as I went. It did allow me to see how long I wanted to braid each braid and how I wanted to layer my hair overall. So if you would like to, I would recommend layering as you go, but it might be best to wait to the end, but I just prefer this way. So if you're a visual learner like me, I'm going to just show you for the next 2 minutes or so exactly how I do my hair. It is going to be sped up, but you can slow down this video if you would like, and then I'll be explaining more towards the end. I was so relieved to be done. Oh my goodness. So this is pretty much how it came, the back of my hair. I love the curls. I just thought it was so pretty. I'm going to be doing this style again in black. So I think I am going to upload another video of me doing it just to see how the experience will be. And I'm using the dough. Tell me if you like this product, if you try other products from them. I am curious on how it will work on a twist out. So maybe that's a video I'll do in the future. But I always apply mousse to my hair right after, and then I'll tie it down overnight, and it gives it even smoother finish, especially since I didn't blow dry my hair. So the clip I'm going to show you is how my hair looked 2 weeks later. Yes, I was actually shocked because I didn't think this was going to hold up. But what I did to keep maintenance was apply mousse on my ends, brush them at night. Sometimes I will put rollers in just to maintenance, to keep up maintenance, but I love it and I would definitely recommend. And I'm going to be trying the style again, so stay tuned.